Okay.
We say goodnight at your front door.
She won't do it then.
That's funny, isn't it?
She said no.
Just say hello.
She's trying to tell you to do something. You're shaking her off. What? What? Nah, I ain't gonna do that right now. Nah. Do it, Trevor. Do it. Huh?
Look at that sharp-looking shirt. Look at her.
Oh, no, I ain't doing it again. I ain't gonna do it again. Look at her shaking her head and looking at her mama. Oh, give me a minute. Just give me a minute. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Slow down, girl. Slow down. You don't remember this?
You see, you're like, come on, let's go. I'm waiting.
He would have been.
There we go.
He would have been